Hello world, welcome to Quick Drawing Tips. Today we have Mary Kom. Let's go!
MC Mary Kom. Alright, she's a boxer from India, Manipur state. Okay, now this part is also, the entire upper half is visible. However, her arm, her big boxing arm is covering up most of this part, so it's very easy. Once you make the face and her hair, it's all from right hand side to the left hand side, it goes from there. Make the eyes, make the face, shade it out, and finally you remains with the clothes. Yes, in this particular drawing you can make the clothes for the last, because see, the clothes are covering up majority of this drawing in this particular one. So that was quick tip for the day. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching that video. If you like this, you know what to do. Thumbs ups, thumbs downs, and subscribe, okay? Right, hook. Wait, no, it was jab, hook. Just do it.